So the Basilio is a place. It's a fine dine come party place. So it's a pure veg with definitely party. So alcohol comes into picture. So it's you can say a kingly place for the all vegetarians around this place. And definitely it's for having a positive vibes. I try to make as positive as I can with my efforts, and definitely I want people to come here and enjoy the food. Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I need a place for refreshment and something, no, to groove and vibe. I have found the perfect place. I feel the vibe is so good here and so positive, and the mood is like let's party, let's dance and groove. I just loved it. I didn't enter till now, but I'm getting the vibe so well. It's so good. When I'll get inside, I'll be more excited for sure. Yeah. I feel it's amazing. Like very rare thing, I'm very excited about it very much. Let's see. Let's go and enjoy.
Definitely, it's a healthy food.
Yeah, very nice.
Healthy food. So while partying, having a healthy food is another combination.
Yeah, very true.
I want people to enjoy and
I
have a
say
positive.
healthy. Yeah. That's very nice.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So basically, Basilio means it's a Greek word and it means kingly. Basilio is it's a Greek word and it means kingly. So it's whatever there in the kingdom. So I try to place it here, and definitely a lot of Greek god and goddesses, all the sculptures we have. I try to keep here, and yes, it's all about pure veg and the party. So that's what I tried. और वो बनाने का यहाँ पे कोशिश
So
किया.
that means you are the king of this place.
No. So not me. So all my guests who will come there, they're all
Oh,
kings.
nice.
Because
That's
a
good.
kingly, it's a kingly.
Yes,
Like
because in
the
the kingdom you
concept.
call
Yes,
all the guests.
Yes,
That's good.
yes.
But I'm looking forward to go inside and have a look
Yeah,
because it's very
yeah.
bright and it's more of a Roman feel you have given.
Yes.
Even the color combination
Yes,
is also very
gold
good.
and
Golden
white.
and white.
Golden and blue. White is very less if you go inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there's a
Outside is
difference.
the blue.
More, yes.
Outside is white.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
So I'm looking to chill out because the lounges are very much required because हम shoot से इतना थक जाते हैं तो अपने लिए time चाहिए था तो it's ना I think it's a new place which is open. The name is also it is a very good Basilio. So I'm really looking forward to go inside and to groove with the music and have really good veg food. So अच्छा है आपने veg रखा है.
Yeah.
Damn good. बहुत सारे
Again, it's a healthy.
because healthy as well and people are converting from non-veg to vegetarian. So I think this is the best place to be a part of it.
I'm super excited. अंदर जाके नाचना है. Music बहुत loud है and I'm super excited to go inside.
Yeah, and my warm wishes to
Of course.
Thank
you,
Thank
sir,
you.
and definitely you will rock this place. And definitely, I will suggest my friends who live around near Thane.
Sure. It's like all come and become a king
Yes.
at my place.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That way.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
Hi. Yeah. So yes, the place Basilio means a kingly, and the place what you have created here, like you developed here, it's with all Instagrammable, and you can have a lot of spots where you can put your photo, click your photos, click your pictures, and put on Instagram. So that's kind of place we have tried to make it. Yes.
It is. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Pratish on this beautiful place. कहते हैं ना कि he is actually very smart marketing के हिसाब से. घाटकोपर से लेके मुलुंड तक ऐसी जगह नहीं है. इनफैक्ट पूरे बॉम्बे में ऐसी जगह नहीं है, स्पेशली बट फॉर वेजिटेरियंस. वेजिटेरियंस बहुत सारे लोग शराब पीते हैं लेकिन नॉनवेज नहीं खाते हैं.
Right.
So for them, with the comfort of the right kind of food they want and alcohol plus an amazing ambience, a lot of thought has been put into. Like he said, there are a lot of nooks and corners in the entire joint where pictures to photo ops to हो ही सकते हैं, but it's got a lot of character to it. It's not a very bland place. lot of thought has gone into it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And it's not an overnight socha or khol diya. I think I heard also that it's been an 8 month
Yes,
hard
yes,
work
yes,
that's
yes,
come out, and trust me, it's showing. And I love the retro tracks that are being played here. मैं अगर ऐसा म्यूजिक बजेगा तो I'll definitely come back here.
So it's definitely
And
now-
खाना
now-
मैंने टेस्ट किया है अभी. I haven't had the main course as yet. The food is yummylicious.
Oh, good one, good one. We'll give
It is actually very nice. Vegetarians have a very strong platter because choices vegetarian में भी बहुत होती हैं, but this I had 3 or 4 starters and all had different taste. ऐसे नहीं कि एक का दूसरे में mix हो रहा है. And I'm sure with Madhuban also and
Yeah.
this, I've had food at Madhuban also, and
Oh.
I'm sure this place is gonna rock like Madhuban. All the very best.
Thank you,
My
thank you.
wishes, and I'm sure I'm gonna come back here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thanks, thanks, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so first, Basilio means kingly. It's a Greek word, and our entire resto club is on Greek theme. It's a pure veg, yes, and definitely a party place. So when it's party, alcohol comes in picture. So that's the two combinations what we are serving here, and definitely it's one of a kind of a place where we want people to come here and enjoy the positive vibes and enjoy the entire moments here. That's what the Basilio is. So first of all, location is beautiful. Competition is there, but you know, instead of competition, I make sure that place should stand out differently with a different thought. So it's a pure veg plus alcohol restaurant, and definitely a party place. It will be an event-friendly place. A lot of artists will come here. International artists will come here. So definitely that will stand out among all other places. Yeah.
How was your experience inside, the food, the ambience? How did you like the place?
There's just one word, and that is wow.
Thank you.
It's something really very different, you know. I expected कि जो regular pubs होते हैं वो वैसा ही होगा, but when I entered inside, it was like, you know, कि every corner was looking so nice and different, and it was like मुझे यहाँ भी देखना है, मुझे वहाँ भी देखना है, मुझे वहाँ भी देखना है. It was like that. So it's something very nice, different, and you know, जैसे कि ये जो veg इन्होंने यहाँ पर रखा है, so I think, you know, all the vegetarians, they will be so happy because sometimes there is a lot of reluctance. When vegetarians visit a place, it's like, you know, हम खाएंगे तो पता नहीं वो शायद बर्तन से यूज़ होते हैं, you know, सेम तवा पर खाना बनता है, so they are reluctant. लेकिन यहाँ पर I am sure कि vegetarians are going to, like, you know, have a blast time. And वो जो जब मन खुश होता है ना तो इंसान बहुत, you know, enjoy करता है खुल करके. And I am sure that all the vegetarians are going to, like, you know, have a good time over here, and the party place and everything is like wow. There's just one word, and that is wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.